Well, hello there, I'm Christy, and welcome to my kitchen. All right, guys, I have a fantastic casserole for you today. I am making a chicken tot pie. Yeah, this is so delicious. It's hearty and comforting. It comes together really quick. It's just like a chicken pot pie, but instead of a flaky crust, you've got crispy tater tots. It's perfect. All right, I've got my ingredients out here on my counter. I'm just going to go over those with you as I make it. I will leave you the full recipe in the description box below if you want to go check it out. But we've got to get started because it's that time, guys. Time to get cooking. So what I have here is some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I boiled them until they were tender. I let them cool, and now I'm just shredding the meat with my fingers. But you can use chicken tenders, chicken breasts, whatever chicken you like. Even pick up a rotisserie chicken. That might be a quicker, faster option for you. All right, then I'm going to add 2 cans of a cream of chicken soup. Then I'm going to add a half of a cup of sour cream and 1 cup of a shredded cheddar cheese. Give this a stir. All right, I'm going to give a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. All right, and I have some fresh thyme here. You can use dried, but I had the fresh in my refrigerator and I really wanted to use it up. So I'm going to add some fresh thyme, just sliding those leaves down the stem. And then I'm going to add a 10-ounce bag of frozen mixed vegetables. You can use canned if you like. So I'm just going to give everything a good stir. All right, next I'm just going to pour the chicken mixture into a 9x13 baking dish. All right, then spread it out. All right, and now comes the tater tots. All right, so there they are. All the tater tots are on top of the casserole. Now you want to bake it in a 375-degree oven for right around 40 minutes until the tater tots are nice and golden brown and crispy on top. Oh yeah. Chicken tot pie. That's what I'm talking about. All right, you guys gotta check this out. So this is still steaming hot, but it is my favorite part. I get to eat. Oh yeah, I gotta get one of these crispy tater tots. Well, that is a winner. It's a winner chicken dinner. It's just delicious. I hope that you give it a try. Well, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.